Okay, first of all, good evening, students. So, are you all ready for your board exams? Very happy, Tejas. So, you all look like you all are well prepared for it. We have already done the sample paper. Yes or no? Today, again, we are going to revise that. थोड़ा सा you'll get an idea कि paper जो है किस pattern में आने वाला है और how you have to answer the questions. The point which I have noticed, the major issue which you are facing is in reading skill and grammar, I believe. Right? The papers which I have checked now, even the grammar part we have done it so much. Still we are going to do it. Wherever you are doubtful, you can stop me and ask. सबसे पहले we'll start with section B. Is it okay? You have to guide me. It will be from here. This is okay. Okay. Section B, question 1. As I've told you earlier, the first question will be related to tenses. How many of you are familiar with structures of tenses? All of you, right? So अगर हमें structures आते हैं, then this part is not difficult. कि इसको कैसे करेंगे? Look here, fill in the blank with the correct option to complete the opening line of a formal letter. Formal letter आपके उसमें आने वाला है कोर्स में. Now it is right. So all of you are familiar with the Dear Mr. Patel, we are pleased to inform you that your proposal for the upcoming project by the board of directors. क्यों आपने ये ऑप्शन चूज किया? What is the reason of choosing C option? बेटा same question, it won't be repeated in your board on 15th. Yes, but you should know the structure and rules कि हम ये option क्यों select कर रहे हैं. What is the reason for choosing option C? Sorry? कहाँ बेटा? नहीं, this for is not time for. Since for plus time, that is different. यहाँ पे वो वाला for नहीं है. Anyone else? You are saying it's option D. Can you tell me the reason for choosing option D, beta? You just read the sentence first once again. We are pleased to inform you that your proposal for the upcoming project by the board of directors, ये तो नहीं होगा. Will have been endorsed हो सकता है. Is there some future tense given over here? So remaining options are C and D. आप लोग ये मेथड अपना सकते हो, elimination option, isn't it? So eliminate अगर हम कर रहे हैं तो we are left with two options. कौन सा option सही fit हो रहा है इसमें after giving the reasons for that? क्योंकि ये पैसिव में है. पैसिव में क्या लगेगा? आप लोगों ने जूनियर क्लासेस में एक्टिव पैसिव लर्न किए होंगे. Yes or no? So wherever there is H family word, that is has, have and had, we use been along with that. So has been endorsed. ठीक है? Second one, read given sentence from marketing report. अब बेटा इसमें आप क्या करते हो? You just write either the error or you just write the correction, which is wrong. You have done it in your pre-board paper. I actually wanted to tell many of the students, ये गलत format है आपका. बोर्ड आपको लिख के दे रहा है that you have to use this format. You have to write error, correction and then put the error in this box and correction over there. But still you haven't done it. Yes, beta. Any doubts? Dharyansh or Now, where were we? This. Again. हाँ बेटा. 1 second beta, 1 second. Who's there? I can't see anyone. Huh. Harsh? Said properly. You want to say something? Yes. The company continues to strive tirelessly to meet customer demands. Can anyone tell me the error? Why? You don't have to guess. You should know the valid reason for it. ऐसे guess करके लिखेंगे तो हो सकता है it's right or maybe it's wrong also. You should have a valid reason for that. Present indefinite है तो present indefinite में we use s also. Sorry? The company continues to. Yes. So here main verb ये है जिसमें already s लगा हुआ है. So we need not use this again. So what would be the answer? Error is strives, and what should be the correction? Very good. Next, Riya asked the following question to her colleague Deepak. This is reported speech. You have to report the dialogue to indirect. Have you finalized the magazine content to be submitted tomorrow? Report Riya's question correctly. So we have to write Riya asked, you can write inquired, you can write questioned. Any one of these words would do. Whom? Deepak. Should I write that? If. Why we use if over here? Yes, because it is a question which has only two answers, either yes or no. So just question में we get only these two answers. We use either if or we use whether. Yes. And you remember I told you, you have to cross this. If, he, and have changes to had finalized the magazine content to be submitted tomorrow ka, the next day or the following day. Any one of these, the next day or the following day. Where? This? That? Okay. Oh, this is going upstairs now. Yes, beta? Of course you can. Huh? You can? Yes, beta. Fill in the blank by choosing the correct option to complete an official announcement. Attention all prefects. Please be informed that the deadline for submitting our registration for participation in the art exhibition has been extended, and you have been given 3 options over here. Should be communicated to all students of class. What should be communicated? Who said these? It's wrong. What would be the answer? Next, read Sana's reply to her team leader regarding the preparation of an important presentation. What is this? Which topic? Is it error correction? Question number 5. Reported speech. I'm sorry, I forgot, ma'am. I'll have the presentation ready for you very soon today. Excuse. Report Sana's reply by completing the following sentence correctly. Sana apologized for having forgotten and said. ये जो लिखा है ना यहाँ पे, I'm sorry, I forgot, ma'am. This has already been reported for you. Sana apologized for having forgotten and said. I will changes to and said that she would had. Should I write had? Same आएगा क्योंकि हमने एक तो चेंज कर दिया है ना. Everything doesn't change. That she would have the presentation ready for who's the team leader? So him. This will change to him. For him very soon, and today will change to that day. Who's going to repeat the whole sentence once again? Krishna, will you repeat the answer again? It's written over here. Come on. Yes, Krishna. Repeat the answer. In direct speech, mein what we have written over here? You just have to look at the sentence and repeat the answer. That's it. Bolo beta. You need prompting to read the sentence. Harsh, please read it. Ready? Yes. This is a good thing. Okay. Identify and correct the error in the given line taken from an online news report. The line is, nearly most shop was closed for the public holiday. You have 4 options over here. This is the right option. And how do you put it in your answer sheet, beta? I've told you numerous times, but still. I can see one in front of me. You write the answer. For example, this is question number 6. What do? You just write A. हालांकि हाँ उसी की बता रही हूँ. Like if it is given a small thing over here, something, most and every, मान लीजिए आंसर ऑप्शन में दिया हुआ है every person, so it's very easy to write option A, every person. It gives a clear look to your answer sheet. समझ रहे हो? Instead of just writing A, B, C, D, इतना तो होता ही है बेटा. हार्डली अ लाइन. जो MCQ आंसर्स होते हैं ना, उसमें हार्डली एक लाइन जितना आंसर होता है. It's better you write the option along with the answer given. The look जो होता है ना पेपर का, that is good. Otherwise what the examiner has to do, जैसा मुझे करना पड़ा, I remember because today I checked your copy. I had to turn back and look at everything what was written. No harm in writing, but give better presentation. Okay. Complete the given school announcement by selecting the correct option to fill in the blank. Good news everyone, our school's robotic team has successfully, why not will secure? I need the reason from your side. Very good. It will take verb 3, and which is verb 3? ठीक है? Next one, detect the error and supply the correction for the given observation by a child. It's here. That need not be dad's jacket. It's too small. Where do you use this semi-model? Which is the semi-model over here? 2. This is the semi-model. You know we have learned main models and semi-models. How many main modals are there? Which you call as modals. How many are there? जब हमने टॉपिक डिटेल में पढ़ा था तब हमने देखा था there are how many main models? Can anyone tell me? How many? Did I teach you this topic? Did I? How many main models are there? Don't turn the page now. No. there are 9 main models: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should and must. They are called as main models. Semi model में क्या होते हैं? used to, dare to, ought to, need to, और कई बार had to भी आ जाता है, has to, have to, यानी auxiliary verb और भी आ सकते हैं कई. But यहाँ पे need not use हुआ है. Do you think it's appropriate over here? Then what should have been there? No. Must तो obligation हो गया ना बेटा? Yes. Like if I check the copy, suppose इसको भूल जाओ, आप किसी की कॉपी चेक कर रहे हो and you know that person scores very well. Suppose I am checking your copy and I have an intuition in my mind कि this girl scores very well, and on that particular day you haven't scored well. For example, I'm just making you understand the situation. तो मेरे दिमाग में क्या आएगा? This need not be Smarika's copy. What will I say? This can't be Smarika's copy. So this is the error. और करेक्शन क्या होगा? ठीक है अखिल, कोई डाउट है बेटा? अगेन रिपोर्ट द डायलॉग. मार्क माई वर्ड्स, मैंने कहा था आपको रिपोर्टेड स्पीच यू कैन नॉट ओमिट. यू विल हैव एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द सेम टॉपिक. अगर आपका ये क्लियर है, यू कैन वेरी वेल स्कोर मार्क्स इन इट. Teacher, did everyone understand the new assignment? इसका reported speech नीचे it's already given. The teacher asked if everyone had understood. Why we have used had understood? हालांकि ये question नहीं है, but let me clarify this. Suppose अभी वाले बोर्ड में ये रिपोर्ट करने के लिए दे दिया जाए, then what will be the formula of changing? Why we have changed this to this? What is the rule or structure which I have told you? Simple past changes to past perfect. Very good. And past perfect changes to which tense, Nihit? If past perfect is given here, you change it to which tense? Past perfect. किस में बदलेगा? It will be no change. That's not your answer, no? It's been given by Akhil or someone? No. Okay. Let's revise it once again. कौन सा टेंस किस में बदलेगा? Because reported speech you need to know कि कौन सा टेंस किस में चेंज हो रहा है. First of all, अगर inverted commas में, ये तो आपको पता है ना कि we need not change this. हम सिर्फ set to का ask बना सकते हैं, told बना सकते हैं, बाकी we can't change anything. The main thing which we have to change is speech, जो कि inverted commas में आती है. If inverted comma has simple present tense, then we change it to simple present changes to simple past. Suppose it is given likes, तो वो बन जाएगा like. These are general rules. And if present continuous is there, it changes to past continuous in indirect speech. If there is present perfect, past perfect. If there is present perfect continuous, it changes to very good. Now coming to past, I gave you a thing to remember. What was that? मैंने आपको हिंट दिया था ना कि याद रखने का ये बहुत अच्छा तरीका है. जिस लोग किया सिंपल पास्ट, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, पास्ट परफेक्ट और चौथा है पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. आई सेड अगर आपको चेंज करना है एंड इफ यू डोंट रिमेंबर इट कि किस में चेंज करें, तो व्हाट वी कैन डू, एक छोड़ के एक, लीव वन एंड चेंज वन. सिंपल पास्ट चेंज एक के एक, तो किस में चेंज हुआ? पास्ट परफेक्ट में. एंड पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस चेंजेस टू पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस, एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट चेंजेस टू nothing, so it won't change. Same applies to past perfect continuous. There is nothing, so it doesn't change. It remains the same. ये because this is just a sample paper, लेकिन बोर्ड में आपके जो आएगा that will be not the same, but rule तो same होंगे, isn't it? सो यहाँ डेड आया था इसलिए हमने हैड अंडरस्टूड यहाँ पे बनाया. नाउ कमिंग टू द मेन पॉइंट करना है. स्टूडेंट्स का रिप्लाई क्या था? यस वी ऑल गॉट इट, थैंक यू. सो स्टूडेंट्स डैश एक्सप्रेसिंग देयर ग्रैटिट्यूड, ये हमने इसको चेंज ऑलरेडी करा हुआ मिला है हमें. थैंक यू को ऑलरेडी चेंज करके दिया हुआ है एक्सप्रेसिंग देयर ग्रैटिट्यूड. तो बेसिकली वी हैव टू चेंज ओनली दिस. यस वी ऑल गॉट इट. तो यस एंड नो का हम क्या चेंज करते हैं? व्हाट डू वी डू? ओनली अफर्मेटिव. शुड आई राइट स्टूडेंट्स अफर्मेटिव? रिप्लाइड. स्टूडेंट्स replied in, what is the other word you can use? Yes, students replied positively. Even this could be written बाद में and affirmative and said that they all had got it. This is optional क्योंकि ये यस का ही कंटिन्यूएशन है. तो आप अगर अफर्मेटिव या पॉजिटिव लिखते हो यू विल गेट फुल मार्क्स फॉर दैट. नेक्स्ट, सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन टू कंप्लीट द गिवन सेंटेंस फ्रॉम अ हैंडबुक फॉर मैनेजर्स. द मैनेजर डैश कंसिडर द प्रपोजल बिफोर मेकिंग अ डिसीजन. अब बेटा ये ध्यान रखना, आप कई बार हम क्या करते हैं मिस्टेक, व्हाट वी डू, वी डोंट रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शन व्हाट इज गिवन. अगर इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो ये चेंज हो जाएगा आंसर पूरा. लाइक अगर मैं आपको कोई सजेशन दे रही हूं तो वहां सजेशन वाले में अलग तरह का मॉडल यूज होगा. मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूं, डिफरेंट मॉडल विल बी यूज ओवर देयर. सो ऑलवेज रीड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. अगर मैं कहूं बेटा हार्ड वर्क करो तो ये सजेशन है, ठीक है. और अगर मैं कह रही हूं करो हार्ड वर्क, दैट्स एन ऑर्डर. इट हैज डिफरेंट टोन एज वेल एज डिफरेंट मॉडल्स. तो यहाँ पे हैंडबुक में लिखा हुआ है तो व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर? द मैनेजर. सही है, ठीक है. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन, कंप्लीट द गिवन सेंटेंस अबाउट द रिएक्शन ऑफ सम फ्रेंड्स बाय सेलेक्टिंग द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट क्वेश्चन. द ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स dash excited at the prospect of their upcoming adventure. सोच समझ के बोलना. I want the reason for the answer. Harsh, what is this? Then put it off. Yes, बोलिए. बोलो अमन, what is the reason for choosing this option? I need the answer along with the reason. Avishu, बोलो बेटा. Sorry, D. Why? This is not the time to guess. Recap the rules which we did. Subject verb agreement. Worksheet भी की थी ना? Don't guess. You will be giving 4 options to me and I have to choose that. बोलो. हाँ, यहाँ पे मेन कौन है ना? सो एलिमिनेट भी अगर करते हैं हम, क्या बचा हमारे पास? बोलो. क्यों होना चाहिए? पैसिव में तो इज होती है, इसके साथ थर्ड फॉर्म होती है. इज एम आर तीनों के साथ पैसिव में वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म होती है यूज. अगर हम पैसिव में सिंपल प्रेजेंट को पैसिव में चेंज करते हैं तो इज एम आर साथ में आता है और साथ में थर्ड फॉर्म आती है. Forgotten, I think. Next देखते हैं, last one. Read the conversation about social media between a teacher and a student. Which topic it is? कौन सा टॉपिक है? चौथा क्वेश्चन है सैंपल पेपर में. सो यू बिलीव कि हाँ इसके क्वेश्चन ज्यादा होंगे? यस, ओके. द स्टूडेंट रिमार्क डैश बाय ओनली शोइंग द हाईलाइट रील्स ऑफ पीपल्स लाइफ. ऊपर दिया गया है. यस निहित, कैन यू आंसर? टीचर का डायलॉग हमें नहीं करना है. स्टूडेंट यहाँ है जागृत, ये स्टूडेंट है. I believe it distorts a perception of reality by only showing the highlight reels of people's life. यहां से तो ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. So we only have to report this. This one. The student remarked that it same distorts because हमने टेंस तो चेंज कर ही दिया यहाँ पे. Got it? Okay. हाँ. Want to write now? First question. I want someone to read it out. Tejas, please read the question.
Compose a letter in about 120 words to the project head of e-waste management cell at Electronics Vatika, New Delhi, highlighting the adverse effects of e-waste pollution. Suggest measures for addressing its management through community engagement and government initiatives.
बाकी तो आपको हिंट्स दिए हुए हैं. कैन एनीवन क्लैरिफाई व्हाट हैज बीन गिवन एंड व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मेट? मैटर तो आई एम वेरी श्योर यू विल बी एबल टू फ्रेम इट. आपको क्या बताया गया है फॉर्मेट के लिए? यू आर हैविंग एटलीस्ट 4 टाइप्स ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर्स इन योर कोर्स. सबसे पहले वी हैव लेटर टू एडिटर. एवरीवन इज क्लियर अबाउट दैट? एडिटर डजंट सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम डायरेक्टली. बहुत से बच्चे, इवन द पेपर व्हिच आई हैड गिवन नाउ, उसमें बहुत से बच्चों ने एडिटर वाला, मेजॉरिटी यू हैव अटेम्प्टेड दैट एंड यू हैव रिटन, सम ऑफ यू, not everyone, some of you have written, please look into the matter and solve the problem. Do you think editor is going to solve your problem? He is just going to print the issue in the newspaper and the concerned authorities are looking into the, they are going to look into the matter. जो भी आपकी problem है, authorities पढ़ के and they will take action. So never write this line, look into the matter. Because editor is not the direct problem solver. He is just a kind of mediator. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे बॉडी लिखने में तो मुझे नहीं लगता आपको कोई दिक्कत आने वाली है. मार्क्स जो अलॉट होंगे ना बेटा, 5 मार्क्स. Can anyone clarify the format of this? Both the letters. यहां पे जो लिखा है whom we have to write, यानी दोनों ही फॉर्मल है, फॉर्मेट सेम होगा. Who's going to clarify the format? ध्रुव, where should we begin first? कहां से शुरुआत करेंगे? Sender's address. Minimum how many lines? Maximum? Yes. And direct date ऐसे ही यहां पे leave one line and then write the date. And what is the correct format? 2-3 फॉर्मेट करेक्ट है. अपीलिंग वन, टुडेज, है ना, या इट्स 10th. देन अगेन वी लीव वन लाइन और डायरेक्टली जिससे आप एड्रेस कर रहे हो. इफ इट इज एडिटर, नेवर राइट ओनली एडिटर, यू हैव टू इंसर्ट द आर्टिकल द बिफोर इट, द एडिटर. और अगर न्यूज़पेपर का नाम है, प्लीज इंसर्ट द आर्टिकल द हिंदू, द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस. हाँ, इसके नीचे कई बच्चे क्या करते हैं, द एडिटर ऑफ लिख देते हैं. दिस इज रॉन्ग. नहीं नहीं whatever newspaper has been given, जहां का भी है name of the place. Then you write subject. इसमें major mistake करते हो बेटा. Many of you drag the subject to almost 3 lines. Is it right? नहीं, it should be short. 3 words में भी subject नहीं होता है. It shouldn't be इतना short भी ना हो, just a phrase बना दो उसको. Whatever you are requesting or seeking help or whatever you are demanding, it should be clearly mentioned in a single line. ठीक है? Then you start with your salutation and the body. Body को आप कितने सब पैरास में डिवाइड करोगे? Yes. अगर आपको बोला गया है suggest measures, like I had given this time suggest measures, many of you had not given it, इसके marks deduct होंगे. 5 marks ऐसे random पढ़ के it's not given. It is allotted for every step. Suppose ये सारे आपने लिख दिए हैं, towards the last आपने subscription भी दिया है, yours faithfully or respectfully, obediently, whatever, sincerely, truly, यहां तक आपने पूरा लिखा है, then you are given the complete marks for format. ठीक है? Otherwise, if you have omitted any 1 or 2, तो आपका half marks deduct हो जाएगा. Body के लिए ज्यादा marks allot होते हैं, so focus mainly on that. Even your grammar should be correct. उसमें grammatical mistakes नहीं होनी चाहिए. Should be properly well framed and well used vocabulary should be there in that. No problem. बाकी it no issue with that. Both are acceptable. किसको बेटा? Of course you can write, but don't first give that. The following measures could be adopted, and then dots you can put. Don't put 1, 2, 3. It doesn't give a good look. Letter में dots could be, हाँ bullets लगा सकते हो, उसमें फिर points लिख सकते हो, बाकी पैरास में भी डाले जा सकते हैं. It's up to you. ठीक है? Any questions related to this topic? Any of you? Sure? Yes बेटा? हर्ष कोई डाउट है? मेजर तो फॉर्मेट देखना था आपको. फॉर्मेट याद है? नो. I'll give you the answer sheets. देखना. I have mentioned the note. Please revise the format. कई बच्चों के डाला है because you don't remember the format still. This is 10th, 15th you're going to write your board exam. 4 दिन बचे हैं ना बेटा? अब तक फॉर्मेट वगैरह तो होना चाहिए. It's okay नहीं है? Focus now. No issue with that. Krishna, do you have any doubt? पूछो बेटा, otherwise I'm going to ask you. सेक्शन बी का लास्ट. Yes, Avishu. Section B will complete by this. We have done grammar in section B, letter, and the last one is analytical paragraph. Yeah, the same thing you wrote now in your pre-board. Not the same paper, but this section was same. Even the choice was same, I think. Both these. तो बेटा यहाँ जो दिया होता है, कई लोग choice was different. I thought it was the same. Playground वाला नहीं था. Which was there? School bag was there, I think. What was the other one? नहीं? Previous I had given in footprints test. Yes, that time I had given, not in this paper. Okay, come here now. Analytical paragraph में earlier it was there that you had to put a heading also. Now in the sample paper की जो marking scheme है, in that it is not given, so you need not write that heading. Just go on with the explanation. अब explanation doesn't mean that whatever is given आप उसे sentence में frame कर दो और हो गया. This is wrong notion. You have to see it, analyze it properly, what has been given, उसे अच्छे words में frame करके you have to write it in a para. कई बच्चे क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा बस जो दे रखा उसी में insert कर दिया and then put the data in the same way. That won't fetch you good marks for it. Even in the pre-boards also the same thing happened. इसमें क्या doubt है? We have done this topic numerous times. Analytical paragraph. It is not necessary that you will be given in the table format. It could be bar graph, it could be pie chart, it could be a line graph, anything. But data would be given. उस data को properly analyze करना है और फिर अपना frame करना है आंसर. Beginning कैसे करोगे, end कैसे करोगे, Can you tell me any 1 or 2 lines for beginning, which I already told you? The given pie chart or the given bar chart illustrates जो भी आगे दे रखा है. Yes. Anything else? Boys this side. How are you going to start the para? हाँ बोलो बोलो. हाँ it's okay. Tell. हाँ. You're just reading it. And how will you end the para? Analytical paragraph को end कैसे करो? Can you give your opinion about that? Okay, can be concluded is right. Anything else? You have to show your good vocabulary over here. आपके पास सिर्फ डेटा रहेगा, but the vocabulary तो आप ही के पास है ना. The sentence is not framed here. मान लीजिए ये जो दिया हुआ है ना यहाँ पे, इसमें फिर भी थोड़ा डिटेल में है. If you get the chart, बार ग्राफ या पाई चार्ट मिलता है, what is written in that? You have just given the percentage or description of that. खुद लिखोगे ना उससे. अगर कोई चीज बढ़ रही है, what are the words you can use? Skyrocketed, plummeted और peaked. फ्लक्चुएशन तो ऊपर नीचे होने वाले की जगह पे आप यूज करोगे. कोई चीज ऊपर जा रही है, फिर नीचे आ रही है, फिर ऊपर जा रही है, अप्स एंड डाउन्स अगर है, देन यू कैन यूज दैट वर्ड फ्लक्चुएटेड. व्हाट एल्स? डिक्लाइन तो कम होना हो गया, इंक्रीज्ड और स्टैग्नेंट. अगर कोई चीज ग्राफ नीचे जा रहा है प्रीवियस ईयर्स के मुकाबले, देन व्हाट आर द वर्ड्स यू कुड यूज? Went down is very simple word. Declined okay, reduced okay, then drop down. क्योंकि आपको जो ग्राफ में मिलने वाला है वो इसी तरह के होंगे. Up down or fluctuation, those kind of words. If you don't have any question, then I'll ask you some questions related to this. Yes? Will tell you. Anything else? Keep your doubts, I'll clear it. Anything else? No? Shall we move further? Coming to literature part. You'll get extract and some questions based on this. आपको क्या लगता है? Questions जो होंगे, you'll find the easy answer over here. Will you? No. ऐसा नहीं होगा. सोचना क्रिएटिवली, आप सोचोगे. इफ यू थिंक क्रिएटिवली यू विल गेट द आंसर. ठीक है. और चैप्टर आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, यू नो द जस्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर, व्हाट हैज बीन देयर. सपोज आपको पोइट्री दे दी गई है एंड यू विल बी आस्क्ड अबाउट सम पोएटिक डिवाइस, दैट कुड बी आस्क्ड इन एनी चैप्टर लाइंस आल्सो. सो बी रेडी फॉर दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. आपको असर्शन रीजन वाले क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं जो आपको एनालाइज करने होंगे. हाँ, ये चैप्टर के अकॉर्डिंगली फिट हो रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे हैं. Need a break? 5 minutes? We'll stop for 5 minutes and then continue again.